Hello folks, this is David Schlossberg from Assured Concepts Group with our Educational Economic Update for June of 2020. In this month's video, I'll be discussing some recent headlines that influenced the financial markets in May. I'll also provide some perspective on what these developments may mean in the months ahead. Well, stocks rallied in May, sparked by a supportive Federal Reserve, stories of reopening in some states and counties, and reported progress on finding a COVID-19 vaccine. The Dow Industrials and the S&P 500 both gained over 4%, while the NASDAQ led the pack, picking up nearly 7%. During the month, investors chose to focus on future economic hopes rather than current woes. Some clients have asked about the disparity between Wall Street and Main Street, and I like to explain that Main Street is today. It's now, where Wall Street is about tomorrow, and either the hopes or the fears that tomorrow brings. Right now, investors are predominantly focused on hope rather than fear. That being the case, stocks rallied on news that the Federal Reserve is committed to doing whatever it takes to support the recovery. Stocks had started to weaken late in the month in response to tensions between the U.S. and China, but comments by President Trump on the last day of trading eased those concerns. In some sense, it would seem that a sustained and complete economic recovery on Main Street may rest on developing a vaccine for COVID-19. There are over 100 vaccine candidates, with 10 currently in clinical trials. Over the next couple of months, results from several of these trials are expected to be released. If positive, the vaccine trials could provide the markets with a renewed sense of optimism. If they prove disappointing, investors may dread the prospect of a prolonged economic recovery. Either way, expect investors to be attentive to these developments. Well, that's it for this month's economic update. Once again, this is David Schlossberg with the Assured Concepts Group, signing off now for the month of June 2020. Please remember that nothing I discuss here is a recommendation. If you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give me a call at 847-426-1077. I'd be happy to talk to you. Thank you.
If you would like to discuss your portfolio or personal financial needs, please contact us at 847-426-1077. Nothing stated in this presentation should be considered an offer of a securities product nor an investment strategy. The advisors of Assured Concepts Group offer securities and investment advisory services through FSIC. FSIC is a member of FINRA and SIPC.